Making your mark with Bookmark? Let's look at how you can connect an existing domain to your Bookmark website. First, you need to click on Settings in the left menu bar, and then on Domain. Near the top, you will see your current domain name displayed. To change this to an existing domain that you have, click the Change button. You will then be taken to the Domain Selection application. Click on the third option to connect a domain that you already own, and type in the address of that domain. For now, let's type in the existing domain, bookmark.com. Once you see the green checkmark appear, click the Continue button. At this point, if you have a free account, you will be prompted to upgrade to a Bookmark Pro or Business account. If you have one of these accounts already, you will automatically be taken to a descriptive site on how to connect your external domain to your website. To officially connect the existing domain that you entered, you will need to make a few changes with your domain host or registrar. You can find more specific instructions for the registrar that you are with by clicking on the drop-down menu below. If you do not see your registrar on that list, you can reference our general help guide entitled Connecting a Domain Purchased Elsewhere. It's a breeze. Once you've made the changes with your domain host, it might take 24 to 48 hours for these changes to take effect. You will know that everything has switched over when you see the red X change to a green check mark to the right beside your new domain name in the Domain Settings page. That will indicate that it is ready for use. And remember to publish your site again under the new domain. This will ensure that everything is up and running. This doesn't seem too hard, right? Now you know how to connect your existing domain to your new website while making your mark with Bookmark.